Hello friends, this is Avnish and today we are going to discuss how to set up our virtual machine with Docker and Kubernetes installed on top of it. So you can use that virtual machine for playing with Docker and Kubernetes, both the things in just one virtual machine. So and it's a very easy process. So first we have to download minikube from this site. This is the site. Let me open it. So here, I have a Windows laptop, so I'm going to download from this link here, this one, minikube Windows AMD64.exe. Let me put this on download. Okay, and besides this, we have to download one more software, which is kubectl, and this is the link for this. So let me put the download here. Okay, so here this is the Kubernetes website. So you can go here, download the latest release version 1.20.0. So you can download from here. So let me put this on download as well. But I think my internet connection is not that good as of now. So it is showing me a lot of time. Although kubectl is being downloaded, but minikube is showing me a lot of time. So although I have these softwares with me as well, so I can take help of those software which I have with me as of now. Just a minute. So we can go to this place, Kubernetes. I have these softwares with me, so I'll just copy them. Here. Okay, so they are being here. Let me stop the record this because anyway it is going to take a lot of time. Yeah. So these are the softwares which will be downloaded. Okay, one is kubectl, other is minikube. Now you have to, so the next step is after downloading these two softwares, what you have to do, you have to add the binaries into your path. Okay, so go to if you type environment variables, you will reach there. So in the path, you have to add a path. So you can say, sorry, you have to add it. So I will add it and I will add a new path here. So the path can be this one. Okay, a new path here. All right, yeah, just okay, and the path is being added. Now I will open the Windows command prompt. From here, what we have to do, we have to type minikube and start. So what it will do, it will download virtual machine. So for this, first you have to have Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager on your system. Okay, so you have to download Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager, and it has to be there on your system. Okay, so after that, just type minikube start. This is the command, minikube start. It will download the, yeah, it will set up a virtual machine for you. It's going to take some time. Yep. So as you can see, it is saying creating VirtualBox VM with 2 CPUs, memory this much, and disk this much. So a VirtualBox VM is being created, and very soon it should be shown here as well in this list. My connection is not that good, so it is taking more time than desired. Yeah, now you can see that a minikube virtual machine has appeared here, and it is running. Okay, so things are going on in the background. So it's going to take some time here. Okay, and since this is just a virtual machine, so we can log into this virtual machine as well. So like as of now, the processing is going on, so we can see what's going on in the background. Yeah. So now, yeah. So our login prompt has come here, and the credentials to log in into this machine are these: Docker and TC user. So you can log into this machine using these credentials, Docker and TC user. Yeah. So now you are in the virtual machine. So we can check the IP address for this virtual machine as well. So it's this much: 192.168.19 and 106. 192.168.99.106. So Docker TC user, yeah. So some part is being done, and some processing is going on in the background. So if we check, so as I said before, that this virtual machine you can find Docker as well as Kubernetes. So let's check for Docker first. So Docker is here. We have client as well as server for Docker. So you can run Docker commands here. You can practice Docker commands here in this virtual machine. If I type Docker container ls, so as of now nothing is running. Okay, if I type Docker images ls, so there is no image. So we can download an image like a Docker image pull. Suppose we want to download nginx image, the Docker image pull nginx. Now it is downloading the nginx image. Let me see what is the status here. Yeah, so Kubernetes is now going to be set up. That's good. So you can see here that nginx image is being downloaded here. Status is still running. Yeah. Yeah, so now we have downloaded the Docker image, which is for nginx. Now we can run an nginx container here. Docker, I hope I type the correct command, Docker container run nginx. So let me see if the command is correct. It seems yes. So it's going to usually it doesn't take that much of time. Probably there might be some problem with the command, so we'll see that. And yeah, so we can see that Kubernetes is going to be set up very soon on this virtual machine. That's good. Let me Control C. Let me see, Docker container ls. Okay. So many pods are running here, and you can see many of these are Kubernetes pods. So since Kubernetes is being set up here, so many pods are being running here. Yes. Okay. Yes, this time I've run the nginx container in background, and here is my container ID. Okay, so it must be running in background. Docker container ls -a pipe grep nginx. Yes, so this is my container. It is up for 19. It was up for 19 seconds. Now it has been killed. Okay, but it was up for 19 seconds. So you can see that we have been able to run Docker container here. Okay. Yes, and I can keep this container running as well. I think Docker container run -it nginx. Okay, it will keep the container running, like, and it will open in interactive mode. I think there is some mistake with the command. Yes, so here our Kubernetes cluster is being set up. So if I type the command here, like kubectl. So first of all, let's try kubectl version. So you can see here that this is the version 1.20.0. This is the version for our Kubernetes cluster. So this is a one node Kubernetes cluster. So the master as well as worker both are running on just one node. This is a one node Kubernetes cluster, and we can also check that we can also run the Kubernetes commands here. That Kubernetes kubectl get pods. Kubectl get pods is not running. Why it is so? Let me see, because I have added it. Okay, although we have added them into environment variables, let me open another command prompt. Yes, so in this command prompt we can see that kubectl command is running. Kubectl get pods. As of now, no pod is running. That's why it is showing no pod. So we can run a pod here, like kubectl run nginx. Okay, -- name equals to nginx. It will run a pod here. No, sorry. The command is -- image equals to nginx. Yes. kubectl get pods. Yes, so container is being created. Yeah, now the container is running. So you can see that we have set up a virtual machine. That virtual machine has Docker as well as Kubernetes installed on top of it, and both the things are running. We have seen that Docker commands are running. Okay, so you can, so, and we have also seen that Kubernetes commands are also running. So like you can, so all the kubectl commands you can run from command prompt as well. But if you want to run Docker commands, okay, then you have to log in into the virtual machine. So you can log in into the virtual machine using putty, just like I did. Okay, or you can log in into virtual machine from command prompt as well. Like you can type this command, which I have written here, minikube ssh. Minikube ssh. If you type this command here, minikube ssh, you will be able to log in into the virtual machine right from here. So you can run all the commands from here as well, like docker version, okay, docker image ls. So all the commands are running from here comfortably. Or you can run Kubernetes commands as well, kubectl commands as well, kubectl get po. I think okay. So for kubectl won't work from here, from inside the virtual machine. For that, you have to run from the command prompt only. Okay, just like here, what I was doing. Because the reason is that because we have two binaries here. One is for minikube, other is for kubectl. So kubectl will only work from the command prompt. Okay, not from inside the virtual machine. So kubectl get. As of now, I'm inside the virtual machine. Okay, so I have to come out of virtual machine. Now I'm in the command prompt. If I type the command here, kubectl get pods, you can see that the pod is running. So that's the agenda for this session, and we have covered both the things: setting up of a virtual machine with Docker and Kubernetes installed on top of it. So I hope this video will help you in your work, in your lab setup. Thank you. That's it for today.